Recently, I attended one of InstaDoodle's live webinars, which they regularly host to keep users informed about new updates and features. In this particular webinar, the InstaDoodle team introduced some interesting new updates to their software. In this video, I'll share a few highlights from that webinar, showing you exactly what's new and what improvements they've made. That way, you can decide for yourself if these changes make InstaDoodle a good investment or not. But first, I wanted to quickly mention a contest they're currently running. Right now, the InstaDoodle team is running a contest. To enter, submit a video you've created using InstaDoodle. The first place winner will get $500. Second place gets $200, and the third place receives $100. These are the videos people already submitted. They run these contests regularly, so even if you miss this deadline, you'll have plenty of opportunities to participate in the future. Now let's come back to the new updates of InstaDoodle. The first update is, you can now turn your own images into custom doodle characters. Here's how it works, directly from the webinar.
So we'll upload this image. You can see it, guys. So let's upload the image with Med pointing down, and we have to turn on AI image to sketch. And here we can select black and white, color, or anime. Let's go through all of them so you can see what InstaDoodle is capable, right? Oh, but by the way, let's upload it without having an image to sketch, just so we can show you how the original one looks. Sounds good?
Yeah, that one's important too at the end.
Yeah, because I really want people to see
just how many ways you can interact with your photo in InstaDoodle. That's great. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the original picture of Med. Okay, I'll put it here. And now let's upload the image. Again, same image, but now we go to AI image to sketch and let's turn it into black and white. So this is the original image. Let's make it bigger. And this one is the doodle one. So guys, let me know, is this better than the previous AI engine that we had? All those of you who gave me a 2, are you impressed by the new capabilities of our engine? So all of you who gave us a 2, give us a 5 if now you're saying high five Stoica and the team for what you did here. So give us a 5. Now let's see what happens when we transform the same image into, let's go with color maybe?
Yeah, that's a good color.
And let's add it to the library. Okay, still see 5s coming in. Now let's see what the color option does. So we have here Med, and look, it's pretty amazing, right?
That's ridiculous. It just blows my mind every time I see it.
Yeah, what I don't really like is your nose. You see, it's a bit too red. It looks like you've been drinking. Let me quickly edit you. This, by the way, this is a new feature also added in InstaDoodle. Here you can click on this icon and you can edit any image that you want. Let's go on transparent fill. With the color picker, I'll choose a color from here, and now again on fill, and let's make his nose, yeah, like this. It looks better, right?
Yeah, it does look better.
Man, you were looking like you had quite a few drinks.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so.
Your nose is not that big. Okay.
It's
I like it
big,
better this way. Man, come on. No. It looks much better this one. We actually coded the software, and we love so much when we see people using the software. We are not only about making money with it. For us, it's more about having people use the software, because we put a lot of heart and soul and sweat and tears into it, and seeing people using it, it's worth it. You know, that's when we say, okay, it's worth it.
Yeah, InstaDoodle is like your baby, like your little software baby.
Man, I spent more time tweaking and working at InstaDoodle than I spent with my kids in the last 2 years. Honestly, I know it sounds strange, but that's the truth, because I love it so much. And now let's transform Mad into anime style. Man, this is my favorite. let's see Matt pointing in anime style.
That looks great. Are you kidding?
Okay, so this, as I told you, this is my favorite. Guys, so give us a vote. Which one you prefer? 1 is black and white, 2 is color, 3 is anime. So give us a 1 or 2 or a 3. Which one you prefer?
I'm gonna have to go with. Actually, I won't say it yet. I'll say it at the end.
Okay, I say a 3, a 1, 3, and 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2.
They've also introduced a new feature allowing you to create full-color AI-generated videos with their updated AI Wizard tool. Here's the demonstration they gave.
An AI wizard, and let's go with the life of Winston Churchill, but let's make it even more custom. I don't know, Winston Churchill. Let's go with Abraham Lincoln. Right?
Yeah.
Sounds good. I hope I don't have Abraham, right? Lincoln.
Yeah. No, you're good. Okay. You're good. Don't worry.
Let's generate the script, and again, let's so I'm back. Let's do Life of Abraham Lincoln in color realistic, and as I told you, I like the minimal template. Click on next. For this one I won't do voiceovers because I just want to be as fast as possible. Okay guys.
Yep.
Right from the first slide.
Yeah, it looks great. That's definitely him.
Early life in Kentucky.
I like how he already has the suit.
Yeah, man. Let's see the third slide. Very good, and look how the new AI is keeping the same character. So this is same character, moves to Indiana. Same character, so this is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, I have to agree. That's just amazing. Just having the same character in every. Yeah.
So, guys, are you impressed by this? Come on, we worked a lot on this update.
Yeah, this is just ridiculous.
And
it's amazing.
Yeah.
Like, just look at it. I wanted AI Wizard in color for such a long time. I absolutely love it, and I will.
It's absolutely the same character.
Yeah.
We had this problem that it was not creating the same character. Look, boom, boom, same one.
Look at all the love. Yes, awesome.
Yeah.
Absolutely, very impressed. Loving it. This is outstanding. Thank you very much for all the warm.
Let's make it. Let me show you a thing that I like to do to make it look even better. For example, when we don't have custom or very complex background templates, I feel that again the scene is a bit empty. So let's upload an image. Let's pick this purple background one that I have on my PC already prepared. Okay, so I see people are really excited about this. I'm happy when I see so much energy. Let's put it here. Let's scale it a bit. Go to layers, put it the first, and let's go with the opacity. Okay. And look how it already gave. I don't know. I just like it. How it looks. Let's just add it on all slides. And look how amazing it looks.
Yeah, it just looks great.
Right?
Yeah, it's discreet. It's nice. It makes it less basic with the white background.
Look how good it looks.
Yeah,
it looks freaking amazing.
And you can do this trick that Stoika just showed with other backgrounds, such as maybe chalkboards or whatever you want to put in the background.
Exactly. Exactly. You can do this with any kind of backgrounds that you want, you know?
Yeah.
And just think about it. Just think about the fact that, I don't know, like I told you 1 year ago when we created InstaDoodle. So when we started creating InstaDoodle, you were creating projects like this. And now you create projects like this on full AI wizard. So without even doing anything.
As you can see, InstaDoodle isn't just another software. They're continually enhancing and improving their platform so you can easily create engaging doodle videos that truly stand out. If you haven't purchased InstaDoodle yet and would like to grab a lifetime license for a one-time payment of just $37, you'll find a direct link in the video description below. And if you are not sure and want to learn more about InstaDoodle, watch this video. Here you will learn everything about InstaDoodle you need to know.